Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if you cannot access your Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 Pro using your lock screen PIN code. So, if you don't remember your PIN code, of course the best solution would be to reach out to Samsung customer support service. If you can provide them with some sort of proof of the ownership of your device, like for example the receipt from the store where you bought this device, or maybe the box card will be enough for them, then they will be able to help you regain access to your tablet without removing any data from it. However, if this option is unavailable for you, you can perform a factory reset operation and regain access to your tablet, though all the data will be erased from it. And you have three different options of how you can do that. Two of them are remote factory resets, and one is local factory reset operation, which you can do through the recovery mode. If you don't know how to access the recovery mode on your device, or if you don't know how to navigate in it, etc., we have an entire video, a separate video on our channel explaining how to perform factory reset operation on Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 Pro through the recovery mode. And if you need that video, then you're highly welcome. Go ahead and check it out. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to go through the remote factory reset operation options. Well, basically, all you have to do, all you gotta have on your device is either a Samsung account or a Google account, or both installed on it or linked to it. And in such case, you can perform a factory reset operation remotely. If you are using the Samsung account on your tablet, you can go to smartthingsfind.samsung.com website and sign into your Samsung account. And once you sign into your Samsung account, you're gonna have to select the tablet from the list. Then under Protect My Device section, you'll have to tap on Wipe My Device option and select to perform a complete factory data reset. And after that, the factory reset will start, and once it's finished, your device will be now basically completely new with and you're gonna have to set it up once again, and then you'll be able to use it again. Now, if you have a Google account set up on your device, then you have to open the Find Hub website by Google, and on this website, sign into your Google account that is linked to your tablet, and then open the devices list section. Then go to the Galaxy Tab Active Pro 5G, then select factory reset operation here. And once the factory reset operation is performed, once again, you'll be able to use your device. However, I want to also mention one more thing, in case you do remember your PIN code, but it doesn't seem to work on this page. Make sure that it's not your SIM card PIN code, as this is a completely different matter. It's the security PIN code, and if you do remember it, but your tablet doesn't seem to recognize it, that might be because of some third-party application that affects the way that is affecting the way that your lock screen behaves. And in such case, you're gonna have to enter the safe mode and try to enter the PIN code in there. And to enter the safe mode on this tablet, you're gonna have to press and hold the power button and the volume down key at the same time until you see the power options on your screen. And once they disappear, release both buttons. Then wait for the Samsung logo to appear on your screen. And after the Samsung logo appears, you'll also see Galaxy Secured by Knox. Wait for a couple of seconds, like 3 seconds after that, and then start pressing the volume down button. And there's the timing of when you have to press and hold the volume down button is very, very specific. Basically, maybe I'm not gonna succeed this time. Oh no, I actually did. So basically, you just have to wait for Secured by Knox, then wait for 3 seconds, and then start holding down the volume down key. And this way, most probably you will enter the safe mode. Maybe you'll have to give it a couple more attempts. Now, once you are in the safe mode and you see this indicator in the bottom left corner of the screen, try to unlock your device with a PIN code, and before you figured out what application caused your device to your lock screen to behave differently, first of all, open your settings and go to security and privacy section here. And once you go to security and privacy section, you have to go to the lock screen, enter your PIN code once again, and then select either swipe or none. And then you can simply restart your tablet by pressing the power button and volume down key and selecting restart on the power menu. And then you'll return to the normal mode. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.